Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to lift your Kia Sportage. First, prioritize safety by working on a flat, stable surface. Always use sturdy jack stands to support the vehicle once it's raised. Before you begin, make sure your Sportage is in park, with the parking brake fully engaged. Refer to your owner's manual to locate the correct jack points for your specific model. This ensures a safe and stable lift every time. Before you start, gather all the necessary equipment. You'll need a reliable hydraulic jack, at least 2 sturdy jack stands, and a set of wheel chocks. Safety is paramount, so always wear appropriate gear like safety glasses and work gloves. Place the wheel chocks firmly behind the wheels that will remain on the ground, opposite the side you intend to lift. This crucial step prevents any accidental rolling. Now, let's begin the lifting process. Carefully position your hydraulic jack directly under the designated jack point on your Kia Sportage. These points are usually reinforced areas on the frame or pinch welds. Slowly and smoothly pump the jack handle, raising the vehicle gradually until the tire you're working on is completely off the ground. Once at the desired height, place your jack stand securely under the vehicle's frame, near the jack point. With your work complete, it's time to safely lower your Sportage. First, gently lower the vehicle onto the jack stands, ensuring it's stable. Then, slightly raise the vehicle again with the jack, just enough to remove the jack stands. Once the stands are clear, slowly and carefully lower your Kia Sportage completely to the ground. Remember to check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals. Always double-check all connections and ensure everything is secure before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.